Welcome to the Excel English Academy. Today we will read the uses of simple future tense. Then after we will read the structure of future continuous tense. Okay, let us start the chapter. Use of simple future tense. First, to express actions to take place in future. Simply it means what will take place in future. If you want to do something in future, that will also come under the category of simple future tense. See, I shall read this book. मैं इस बुक को पढ़ूंगा. This is simple your plan. You want to do in future. He will be 20 next month. वो 20 साल का हो जाए. Second, to express natural habitual actions in the future. It means what will be your ideas, habits and natures in future. Suppose you want to change your nature. Suppose you want to be good in coming time, in future. For that we will also use simple future tense. See, child will grow into adult. Plants will grow into trees. This is the natural habit. It's our also natural habit that we will grow, and today we are young. It may that tomorrow it is sure that tomorrow we will be old. Similarly, okay, to express offers, invitation, suggestions. See, shall I help you? This is offer. This is offer. If you want, then I can help you. Shall I switch on the radio? This is the invitation. If you want, suppose shall I switch on? Okay. Next one, to express imagination. To express imagination, if you want to be in future something, for that action we will also use simple future. See, I think he will be the next president. I think you will be the great scientist one day. I think you will be a professor one day. I think you will be a doctor one day. Okay, these are the imagination. To express determination, promise, intention. To express determination, if you have firm determination, we shall fight and we shall win. We will be a winner in the race. For that action or anything, if you are determined, that will take or come under the category of simple future tense. See, we shall fight and we shall win. हम सब लड़ेंगे और हम सब जीतेंगे. Similar the case with happening with India. Our Prime Minister is saying India will emerge as a victorious over COVID-19. Of course, we will be victorious, and we all are supporting our Prime Minister so that our India will fight against the COVID-19. See, now the uses of simple future tense has been completed. We will see and study the structure of future continuous tense. Or friends, the use or working and identification of continuous tense and simple future tense are both similar to present indefinite tense or present continuous tense. So, first of all, we will see the definition. What will be the definition of future continuous tense? Future, the name is already telling. Future continuous tense. It means the work or action which will be continue for some time in the future, that will comes under the category of future continuous tense. Okay, see the tense which deals with actions or work which will start in future and continue for some time in future. For that action, we will use future continuous tense, the tense which deals with the action or work which will start in future and will run for some time in the future. ऐसा कोई कार्य व्यवहार या काम जो आज नहीं 10 दिन बाद शुरू होगा, कुछ दिन चलेगा और फिर फॉर दैट एक्शन वी विल नाउ सी द स्ट्रक्चर. Informative. You know V4, V1 plus ing is called V4. Negative. Subject plus shall, will plus not plus be plus before plus object. Third, interrogative. Shall will come first. Shall, will plus subject plus be plus before plus object. Fourth one, interrogative negative. Interrogative negative. Shall, will plus subject plus not plus be plus before plus object. Fifth one, WH positive. WH words plus shall, will plus subject plus be plus before plus object. Last one, sixth one, WH negative. WH words plus shall, will plus subject plus not plus be plus before plus object. Okay, now we will understand the structure of future continuous tense through an example, so that it will be very clear cut and crystal clear for you. not be playing for India. Third one, that will come in first. Shall I playing? Shall I be playing for India? Next, shall I not be playing for India? When shall I be playing for India? Okay. And the last one, when shall I not be playing for India? Okay, dears, my dear friends, the structure of your future continuous tense is completed, and now it's time for GK question. Name the woodless tree. Third, second. Who was the first Home Minister of India? Okay, friends, today class now comes to end, and hope you will enjoy the videos, and please like, subscribe and share my channel. And with one more request to you, please stay at home, take care, thank you, and you must have to put your comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching my channel.